want it.
Is there a regular collecting of the materials you need for compost? So yeah.
And someone will wonder, why do we have sawdust? The sawdust is a highly carbonaceous amendment which we get from wood. We use this sawdust to cover our fresh organics to check the nitrogen side and the carbon content.
When you are about to start your compost, after collecting your fresh organics, which is under the nitrogen side, and this is our carbon side, and this is our material, carbonaceous amendment.
Flashlight.
It is used to balance the nitrogen and the oxygen, which this helps to absorb the oxygen to the organic. So we use this our sawdust to cover the fresh organics. So in 1 week time, then you add water. In 1 week time, you turn it. You still be in this process for 45 days time. You get your half matured compost, but it's not yet matured. You can see the organic in it. So you still be in the process whereby you add your soil to cover
After
it.
6 weeks.
So you'll still be in the process to cover it with your sawdust. When you add water, you turn it. Mix it. In 90 days time, you get your compost. So it's now compost, you can now use it. And you can see this in one. And this compost can be done in our homes. And in our homes, we use small space. And also can be done in our industries, whereby we used to go for practicals. And in the industries, we do use large scale. So whereby when they are done with the compost in the industry, they send it to the lab to test whether there is more chemical in it before it is used to sell. And it has importance.
The compost will have importance because nowadays in our homes we use synthetic fertilizers in our farms and gardens which contains chemicals and is very harmful to our health. But this compost is purely organic, so it doesn't contain any chemical. This compost, it improves the soil and hold moisture.
Maria, would you like to say something?
Good luck.
Thank you.
One completed will be done over here. And then this
When
other
is the
one,
construction work starting?
it will start once the soil is cut. Yeah, it will start.
When we are leaving, you are starting.
Yes, we have just about 2 weeks to finish the award of the contract, and the contractor is ready to commence work as soon as the contract is awarded. And then this is a lavatory which will be built at the back of the building. And all of these are responsive to the green technology.
Yeah.
So this, in short, is how the building will look like. And this is the first stage of the sword cutting ceremony. Respectfully, as this is
And
done,
you are counting on the demand of the youngsters here in that region.
Yes,
They are
yes.
looking for a career in these
Exactly.
technologies.
Exactly. We have students from this institute who will be benefiting from this, but there are other technical schools in the region who will have access to this facility for training. They will have access to have practical hands-on training on the green technology.
So, to the Ghanaian media, I want, on behalf of the government and people of Ghana, to thank Excellency President Samaya for being physically present to cast salt for the commencement of work of the Center of Excellence for Green Technologies at the Kumasi Institute of Technology. We are profoundly grateful. What is it that he has done today is contributing to improving livelihoods and contributing significantly to addressing unemployment and particularly youth unemployment. As part of President Mahama Research Agenda, Excellency Samaya, we are focusing on developing a TVET policy and establishing a TVET fund to support the skills training of young people in order that they can make meaningful contributions to our national development effort. So we take today in pride that shared opportunity, mutual cooperation on a new initiative of digitalizing our education system using German technology, focusing primarily on kindergarten and junior high school in their use of technology. So we're inviting you and his team down today. So on behalf of President Mahama and on my own behalf, accept our gratitude.
Thank you.
For this,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Honor
Thank you.
to be
It's our pleasure.
invited
We feel
to
so
join the
honored.
ceremony.
We feel so
Thank you.
honored. And Minister, thank you very much for thank you. Okay, so